to week 4. You're just about halfway. So for this lecture, we're going to talk all about brain development. So this image here depicts the various stages of human brain development. So you can see how those 3 little vesicles that we talked about a couple of weeks ago develop into structures like the cerebrum and the brainstem that you can see here. And this happens over the entire course of gestation from conception to birth and then on into adulthood. And it's not important to really know exactly what the brain looks like at each of these stages here, but I want you to note the gradual emergence of gyri and sulci. So the developing brain around 10 weeks has a pretty smooth cortex. But as you jump to birth and then, much later in life, we see much more prominent gyri and sulci as that cortical tissue develops. And remember, the brain is set in an enclosed space in the skull. So in order to really maximize that real estate, the brain folds in on itself to create those gyri and sulci. And by around 6 years old, the brain has reached about 90% of its adult volume. And then by about 25 years old, that's when the brain is considered fully developed. So the things that develop last is the frontal lobe. So the frontal lobe is responsible for things like judgment, decision-making, planning, reasoning, those type of things, which is why young adults may not show that same level of thoughtfulness in planning and decision-making that you'll see in older adults. So, you can blame their frontal lobes for that one.